In this lecture, the topic is sex education. First of all, we will come to know about what is sex. Sex is a physical relationship between two opposite genders. Mainly, it is for pleasure and for reproduction system. Now, what is sex education? As you know, when a child hits puberty, he or she has some physiological change, like in girls, the increase of boobs and pubes hairs, underarms hairs, and in boys like enlargement of penis, and that same of girls. Now, when these physiological change happen, then there are some complications with it. Most of the people are not aware about it, so that's why sex education become very important nowadays. Now, why it become necessary? Because because first thing is that it has become very taboo. Sex is considered as taboo, and no one can speak about it. Mostly our parents and many other what we call elders are not are hesitated to talk to this topic, as it is a very serious topic. It is also related to the biological health of human, and also related to the human anatomy, and it's very important for us because it's a main thing of life, because life will end here if this process does not happen. There are also in girls there are period, but most of the girls are hesitant because there are some complications and also some blood related problem, so they are not aware about it. So that's why it created a difficulty for them to express about it. That's why it has became very necessary to talk about it. Now, how to aware about this situation? As you know, this has become a taboo and many of the people are hesitant to talk about it. So it's a humble request to all the parents to take an initiative. When your child hit up poverty, you should aware about him, then what are the complications and how you should deal with it. Most of the children, who are not aware, if they got some injury in that particular part, they are hesitant to talk, and this created a nuisance in the future. Second is social media influencers. As you know, this is the era of social media. Most of the children are now strict to the social media. If our social media influencer keep a part of sex education in their videos and aware about it, it will become easier to all the things to become a aware person. Third is NCRT books and teachers. As you know, it is there in NCRT book, but there is a very less part of sex education at there. Also in some area of particularly in the villages area where the teacher are hesitant to talk about it, this create a nuisance in the life, and children are not aware about it, and it created a difficulty in their future after their marriage. So now these are the ways in which we can procure the sex procured and aware about it. Simply it is all about awareness. And thank you.